What are the animal confiscation and seizure laws? Imagine walking into a situation where an animal's life is in danger. Who has the power to step in and make sure that animal is safe? That's where animal confiscation and seizure laws come into play. These laws are designed to protect animals from neglect, cruelty, or dangerous living conditions. They give authorized officials the legal authority to remove animals from harmful situations. Seizure is the first step. It means temporarily taking custody of an animal when there's an immediate threat to its health or safety. For example, if animals are found living in unsafe conditions or suffering from abuse, officials can seize them without waiting for a court order in emergency cases. Confiscation, on the other hand, is a legal process where ownership of the animal is permanently transferred away from the owner. This usually happens after a court hearing, or if the owner surrenders the animal voluntarily. When animals are seized, they are considered evidence in a legal case. They still technically belong to the owner until a court decides otherwise. The owner must be notified within a specific time frame, often within 72 hours. This notice explains why the animal was taken and outlines the owner's rights. Only certain officials can seize animals. These include animal control officers, humane law enforcement officers, police officers, and prosecutors. They base their actions on clear reasons, such as animals suffering immediate harm, abandonment, cruelty, or illegal activities. After seizure, a hearing is usually held within 10 business days. This hearing determines if the animal was neglected or mistreated and what will happen to it next. Owners might be responsible for costs during the seizure. These costs include boarding, medical care, and other expenses. Owners may also need to post bonds to cover these costs. If they do not, or if they do not follow court orders, the animals can be forfeited. Once forfeited, animals can be adopted out, transferred to rescue groups, or, in some cases, euthanized if laws requiring. Legal protections are in place to make sure the seizure process is fair and safe. Officers are protected from liability if they use reasonable force during entry onto private property without a warrant. Laws also allow agencies to recover expenses for caring for seized animals from the owners. For those working in animal care jobs, understanding these laws is essential. It helps ensure proper documentation, timely notifications, and legal compliance. Animal care workers may provide medical treatment and shelter for seized animals while legal procedures are ongoing. Knowing the legal status of seized animals as evidence helps prevent accidental violations. Working closely with law enforcement and legal authorities is key to handling these cases effectively. In summary, animal confiscation and seizure laws give a clear framework for removing animals from harmful situations, caring for them properly, and resolving ownership through legal channels. For anyone involved in animal rescue or shelter work, knowing these laws helps protect animals and ensure that interventions are lawful and ethical.